everyone, my name is Mrs. Pearson and I'm going to be your 8th grade math teacher. We're going to be focusing on Chapter 7, which is Real Numbers and Pythagorean Theorem. This is the Google Classroom that I have designed that we'll be working on throughout this whole class. This class is strictly online. If I go under classwork, you will find the class introduction. This is going to be a very important document. You're going to want to open the course syllabus and read over this. This has information for how you can contact me, a little bit about myself and my background. It has our course description, technology that will be required for this course, the standards and the goals that we're going to be focusing on in this course, rules for online behavior, and also the district online behavior expectations are here for you to look at. Expectations that I have of my students, how you'll be provided feedback, and how you will receive grades, and expectations for late work and retakes can also be found on this document. Please read over it, and if you have any questions, let me know. I'm very excited to start this course with you.